Are you confused by iPhone? This video will tell you how to restore iPhone from DFU mode with or without iTunes. There will be 4 parts in this video. Part 1, what is DFU mode? Part 2, restore iPhone from DFU mode with TunesKit. Part 3, restore iPhone from DFU mode with iTunes. Part 4, more FAQs related to DFU mode. Device firmware upgrade. DFU is the device-related mechanism to update the firmware, and it allows all devices to be restored from any state. When iPhone, iPad and other iOS devices become stuck in DFU mode, you cannot have access to them. For example, they get unresponsive even a call or a message arrives, and can only interact with iTunes. Then it comes to the iOS device's DFU mode recovery, which refers to the upgrading or downgrading the firmware on the iPhone, iPad or iPod, etc. So now you might be wondering how to restore iPhone/iPad/iPod from DFU mode. In the subsequent context, we have mapped out 2 methods to iPhone DFU mode restore, including restoring with iTunes and without iTunes. Yet apart from restore, there is another useful method that doesn't require iTunes, and most importantly, it won't cause any data loss. That is employing iOS system recovery software like TunesKit iOS System Repair to restore iPhone from DFU mode. In addition to that, even if your iPhone gets stuck on the Apple logo, black screen or meets other iOS issues, TunesKit iOS System Recovery is able to solve these problems and make your device function normally. iTunes, which is the Apple company for the iPhone/iPad/iPod, is effective for these iOS devices, as it can recover lost and deleted data, and factory reset the iPhone when it has some problems like freezing and disability. Many people rely on this program to manage their iOS devices, so it is natural that what first occurred to them is using iTunes when it comes to restore iPhone from DFU mode. To restore your iPhone, iPad or iPod from DFU mode with iTunes, you can follow steps as presented here. Step 1. Install the latest version of iTunes. Step 2. Launch iTunes and turn off the iPhone/iPad/iPod. Step 3. Connect the iOS devices to the computer. Step 4. Press the home button until the DFU mode is shown on the main screen. Step 5. Let go of the home button. Step 6. Wait iTunes detect your iOS device, which is in DFU mode. Step 7. Tap the Restore iPhone/iPad/iPod button on the message appeared on the iTunes screen. Step 8. Finally confirm the restore order and then iTunes will begin to restore your device from DFU mode by itself. Step 9. After the restoring is finished, your iPhone/iPad/iPod will restart automatically. Letting your iPhone get virtue of iTunes is easy to operate. The following are the related steps. Step 1. Connect iPhone with the computer, then open iTunes and press the power and home buttons in the meantime. Step 2. Release the home button and pressing the power button simultaneously. Step 3. Loosen the home button and wait the iPhone screen goes black. If your iPhone has and want to exit it, at this time, you can try out procedures below. Step 1. Launch iTunes and hook your iPhone with PC. Step 2. After the iTunes detects the device, simultaneously hold the home and sleep buttons, then loosen them together. Step 3. Press the power button instantly till the iPhone get restarted. Putting your iPhone into device back to factory settings. So it does remove everything including data and applications on the iPhone. If you are seeking methods to restore iPhone data after DFU mode, you can directly use professional iPhone data retrieving tools such as TunesKit iPhone Data Recovery, which can retrieve diverse kinds of data including photos, WeChat messages on iPhone, etc. and has a customer-friendly operation. Many users are wondering DFU mode without iTunes. Unfortunately, it is unfeasible for users to enter DFU mode without iTunes. We need to launch iTunes on a computer and restore our iPhone when we enter it into DFU mode. Thus, we can enter an iPhone into recovery mode but not DFU mode without a computer.